Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another print quality test video. Today we've got the Epson EcoTank 2760, and basically what I do in these videos is print 3 different color photos so that you can get a good idea of the quality and how it ends up looking when this particular printer ends up printing out on regular paper, and of course it would be higher quality with photo paper. So I hope that this is helpful for you making your decision. There's going to be a link in the description below for this for the laptop that I'm using, for this printer in particular, and anything else I mentioned in this video. So the first thing we're printing out here is a colorful picture here of the world map, and you can see here I'm using Windows 10. So I'll leave a link for that as well if you were wanting to upgrade from what you currently have, if you have Windows 8 or Windows 7. Okay, so you see our first picture we're printing out here, and it is fairly quick when it prints. You see there, it doesn't take a whole lot of time, and you'll see that with some of the other pictures that we print out. But you can see there, this is kind of harder to see it because it's a smaller picture. But with the other ones, you'll be able to see a little bit better. But you see here, there's a lot of, splotting of the different colors, splashing in different areas. And you can see that those colors came out really nice. Now, this is probably one of my favorite pictures out of the 3. The zebra with, kind of a regular white and black stripes, but then with color all around it. And I actually ended up keeping this, this print for myself because I really liked how this came out. But if this was printed out on some photo paper, this would come out really, really nice. But even just on some regular paper, you're going to see here in just a minute, just the quality and the detail that was able to be depicted onto the printed page. You got basically every color in the rainbow, and that's what I try to get with all of my different pictures that I choose. A lot of yellow in there, a lot of magenta, but then you got the blue and green going up the right side there. And you see that the zebra is very, very depicted very well in this picture, and all the detail that you want is right in there. So I give that one an A+. I love that picture. So next, it's going to be a peacock. You're going to have a lot more purple color, magenta type of, going into a little bit of blue, and you'll see that here in just a minute. And this is actually a live picture. It's not a piece of art or a graphic that was put together like the other 2. This is actually a live picture. So you got a variety here of different types of photos, and that's kind of what I like to do with these types of videos. So as you see there, crisp, came out really nice, very colorful. Everything is depicted really well if you look back on the picture. And again, this is a live photo. This is an actual photo that someone took of a peacock, and you see all 3 of them there together. And I think this is some really good quality. They came out really well. Even on some newer printers, I've seen that there have been some lines missing or certain colors that didn't really print out. But if you were looking to buy this printer, I would say go ahead. Very good quality. I give it an A+. I hope that this video was helpful in you making your decision. Again, everything I've mentioned, printer, laptop, Windows 10, link in the description below. Please also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I've got for today, you guys. Thanks for watching.